Do you want to find your way, but you don't know how and where to go? I'm Rusydah Ziesel. I am an artist, art therapist, and clown, and I combine creativity with spirituality. I believe we are all channels for the divine power. And I would like to invite you to my workshop, Be Booty Be. So this masterclass of Be Booty Be is for you. You will go on a creative and spiritual journey, and you will unleash your inner self. And you give it a creative expression with creative means. It's about your feelings, your intuition, your imagination, and your courage. Because these are the keys for freedom. We will be brave enough to free ourselves. We will step out of our cages and find ourselves. When I had a miscarriage, I processed this experience by starting to paint. And this was so deep for me. I stand in front of my easel, in front of my canvas, and started painting. And then suddenly I felt a deep vibration running through my whole body. And then I started to dance. I don't wanted to dance. I just started to dance. My whole body did that. And I was so, what happened to me? And then I cried and loved, and I don't know for how long this went on. But then at one time I looked at my painting, and then the painting fell into myself and connected with the pain. And again, I started to cry and laughing in the same times. But after that, I was healed. So I believe we are all humans, and we have this creativity within us. Everybody, you don't have to be an artist. You have it. You have it already. So we will learn being playful again, to open our creative potential. All it takes is to listen to our inner wisdom. So in the first free session of 1.5 hours, we will learn to listen to our body wisdom and give space to our longing, to discover our intuition and learn how to trust ourselves more and more, like an inner compass. And our intuition will lead us through our life. So I hope I will see you at the workshop, and let's have fun together. See you. Bye.